I don't know how you'll feel when you see this, but I was honestly losing my mind. Maybe you forgot your iPad passcode, and now it's locked and showing iPad unavailable. So, how do we fix this? Hey guys, welcome back to TenorShare channel. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to unlock an iPad that says unavailable, all without using iTunes. But heads up, no matter which method you choose, your iPad will be erased in the process. So I hope you've backed up your data beforehand. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Erase your Apple ID from iPad. This method is pretty simple, but your iPad needs to be on iPadOS 15 or later, signed in with an Apple ID, and most importantly, connected to Wi-Fi. After you enter the wrong passcode too many times, tap Forgot Passcode in the bottom right. You'll see a message saying all data will be erased. If you're okay with that, tap Start Reset. Next, enter your Apple ID to unlock the reset option. After that, tap Erase iPad. Your iPad will start wiping everything. This usually takes around 20 minutes, depending on how much data you have. Once it restarts, it'll be like a brand new iPad. Skip the steps you don't need, and if you have a backup, you can restore it from iCloud or from your computer. Totally up to you. But if you've forgotten your Apple ID, don't worry. I've got an even more reliable method coming next. Method 2. Fix iPad unavailable with 4U. Now let's try TenorShare 4U. This tool can remove your iPad or iPhone lock screen without needing your Apple ID. I've dropped the download link in the comments. Here's how it works. First, connect your iPad to your computer and open 4U. Tap Unlock iOS screen, then hit Next. Follow the steps on the screen. To put your iPad into recovery mode, press volume up, press volume down, and then hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once that's done, 4U will automatically detect your device. Click Download to get the firmware. This usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the download is finished, hit Start to remove. It'll take about 10 minutes to reset your iPad and wipe the passcode. After it's done, your iPad will be like brand new. Just set it up again, the same way as in Method 1. Method 3. Fix iPad unavailable using Find My. This method only works if Find My was turned on before your iPad became unavailable, and the device must be connected to Wi-Fi. If you don't meet those 2 conditions, I recommend using Method 2. It's way easier. But if you do have Find My enabled, here's what to do. On a computer or another device, go to iCloud.com or open the Find My app. Select your unavailable iPad from the device list, scroll down, and tap Erase this device. You'll need to enter your Apple ID to start the reset. Your iPad will then begin erasing. The screen may go black or change, but that's normal. Just give it a few minutes. Once the reset is done, set up your iPad just like I showed you in Method 1. And that's it, your iPad is unlocked. 3 quick ways to fix your iPad unavailable without iTunes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more of the newest iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.